Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Google Play gift cards online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up any web browser and head to a site called play.google/gift cards, and you'll come to a site that looks like this. This is where you can unlock a world of apps and games. Go play. From this site here, click on where it says where to buy, and then scroll down. So you're going to scroll down here, then it's going to say online or in store. So if you're going to buy gift cards online, make sure you're on the online tab, and at the moment there's 8 different places where we can buy these online. So now choose your destination. For this demonstration I'm going to use PayPal, so I'm going to choose PayPal to buy my Google Play gift card online. So if I scroll down here, it's going to show the different types of amounts. So we've got $20, $50, $100. If I want to do 100, I'm going to choose 100. Now, is this a gift or is this for me? So if it's a gift, choose this is a gift and put in their email and your name. And you can also add a personal message here. And also we can send this today or at a future date as well. And then go ahead and click on add to cart. And if this is for me, just go ahead and click on this is for me. And also buying for yourself will send the gift card to your PayPal email. So it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, just go ahead and fill this out. So for example, I'm going to send it to myself. I now want to send today, and I'm going to click on add to cart. And then we need to go ahead and check out. And then it's going to give you the rundown. So it's a $100 Google Play gift card. We can change these if we like to. Keep scrolling now and click on buy now. And then I might want you to re-sign back into your account. Also, they might want to send a security code to your phone number or email. Just jot that back in, then you'll be redirected back to your cart or purchase thingy here. So I need to add in a card number to continue with the payment. And then after that, I'm going to receive that Google gift card via email.